Restart. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to buy or sell crypto to Cash App. Let's begin. For starters, you just need to make sure you're successfully logged into your Binance app for you to make this transaction. Now, for those who doesn't know as well what Cash App is, it's actually a very popular mobile payment service that's available in the US and also in UK that allows users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. However, it may be available in US and UK, but it's not, accessible to everyone just yet. It's still limited as of this time. So how to do, buy and sell crypto to Cash App? Let's do P2P trading. Let's tap on that one and it will lead you to this page. Once you're here, just like the rest of our video tutorials on how to do other payment methods, please subscribe to our channel so you'll be able to learn more about cryptocurrency. So hit on payment method and then we will look for Cash App. So don't worry guys, it's alphabetical. It will make your life easier to search for them. Then there's Cash App. So for Cash App, once you hit confirm, it would only display the buyers and sellers that would accept transaction through Cash App. So say for example, if I want to buy USDT, I will choose Neva Capital. If I will buy, say for instance, I will just, buy certain amount for USDT. So there's nothing special for this one. It's still the same process to buy or sell crypto. The only thing that changed is how to locate that in P2P trading, and you can actually choose Cash App for this one. Once you hit the button for buy USDT, it will lead you to the next window wherein you just need to complete the information just to make sure that your transaction is secured. Once that's done, it would then go to the wallet that you decided where to put, the amount of USD that you bought. So that's it. It's so easy, right? I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.